In the Western world, it is considered unusual to get married inside the family to a cousin. This generation is beginning to adopt Christian ways of getting married. As a Muslim, is it encouraged to get married to your cousins, or does Islam give you the right to get married into another family within the Jamaat?
You see, the thing is that if they are considering that to get married with the cousins is not right, they are wrong. As long because Allah Ta'ala says that you can get married with your cousins. So we cannot say Allah Ta'ala has given us any commandment which is wrong. The people are wrong, but not Allah Ta'ala. And secondly, this is not the Christian way. This is the present day world way. Christians even used to get married with cousins. Right? I don't think there's any prohibition in Christianity to get married. Secondly, the third thing is that a Muslim is encouraged to get married to your cousins, or does Islam? You see, we should say that it is not wrong, as I have already said, to get married to your cousin. But if you think that you should not, or you think that the children, your offspring you will have, they can suffer from different diseases because of the intermarriages in the family, within the family, then that is a different thing. But that is not true, because those intermarriages are, if they are being done continuously for generations, then it can happen. In this world, present day world, in this Western world, don't they have the same problems with their children? We are born defective. There are. So they are not. That is not the result of intermarriage, family marriage. So we should ask them that Islam permits that you should get married with your cousins, as long as the commandment of Islam is concerned, or the ethics is concerned, or the science is concerned. There is no harm in getting married with the cousins. But if they like to get married outside the family, yes, they can marry, because it is not all. You see, if you should get married outside the family, but with the condition that the person should be an Ahmadi, Muslim, right? So that your generation does not deviate from the true teachings of Islam or the teachings of Ahmadiyyat, right? So this is why we always emphasize that boy and girl should get married with an Ahmadi boy and girl. This is the only thing. Otherwise, there is no harm in marrying outside the family. Do you want to marry outside the family or not?
No, it's just a general question.
Okay. If you find a good match in your family, then don't refuse it. If your parents suggest that you have a good match for you within the family, then prefer it first. And after that, if you have some other concerns, then you can go outside the family, but within Jamaat.
Yes, sir.
Right?